This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English meaning and punctuation question. This question is asking which of the following connectors is going to make most sense in the sentence, but in order to look at these connectors, it's first a good idea to look at them to see if any have punctuation issues, because that'll help us weed some out. So here's the sentence. Frankenstein as well steps too far by exploring taboo areas for humans. So let's go down, and since our first choice doesn't have punctuation, let's look at punctuation issues for the other ones. So our second choice says Frankenstein as well, comma. This is weird because we're putting a comma between Frankenstein, which is our subject, and our verb, which is steps too far. So we never want to have a comma between a subject and a verb. So that's not going to be good. Same issue with similarly. So it doesn't matter as well, similarly. We care most about if the punctuation's right, and we don't want to have the comma between our subject and our verb. So that is not going to be good. Same problem also with this similarly, except the comma's before the adverb. So again, we don't want to put a comma between our subject and our verb ever. That's not done, so that's not good. So now we only have one answer left, and our first answer has no punctuation, so it avoids the idea of putting this comma between your subject Frankenstein and this steps too far, the verb. So it didn't end up mattering whether as well or similarly were better in terms of meaning, but we wanted to use the thing that made the most sense in terms of punctuation. So first choice, what we had already, was correct.